Good morning, dear students. Today we are discussing about that non-metals how can react with our O2. That means how the non-metals can formation with the O2 and then their oxides. It means non-metal oxides can form the acids. Okay. So look first non-metal reaction with non-metal reaction with oxygen. Okay. That means when non-metal plus O2 then formation of non-metal oxide these non-metal oxides reacts with water then formation of acid. Okay. The formation of acid, maybe dilute acids or like that. Okay. So first of all, how non-metals can react with oxygen? So look, when non-metal react with oxygen form uh, a basic acidic acids. Acidic or neutral oxide. Neutral oxide. Okay. So actually the non-metal oxides are generally maybe neutral or maybe basic oxides, maybe acidic oxides, because you know about that when metals react with oxygen, then formation of metal oxide, that are the basic oxides, and when non-metals react with oxygen, then formation of this acidic or neutral oxides. So you know about that acidic oxide shows acidic oxide shows blue to red color with litmus solution. So acidic oxide shows blue to red color with litmus solution. It means when we are making that or indicating with the litmus, then there is a formation of blue to red color. And the neutral oxides. Okay, we will see the examples of both. Okay. The neutral oxides did not show any color change with uh, with red or blue litmus. Okay, I hope you are understanding what I am telling. So it means that when non-metals react with oxygen, form acidic or neutral oxides. Acidic oxide shows blue to red color with litmus solution, and neutral oxide did not show any color change with red or blue litmus. Okay. So first of all, we have to see some examples. Okay, like with the for the acidic oxide, oxides. Okay, like when C plus O2, then formation of CO2, CO2, because carbon with oxygen, then formation of this CO2, that is the non-metal oxide. That is the non-metal oxide. Okay, and when this CO2 is react with H2O, then formation of H2CO3, that is carbonic acid. Okay, like that same example we have to see one more for sulfur. This is for carbon. Okay, so like sulfur, when sulfur is react with oxygen, then formation of SO2, and when this SO2 react with H2O, when react with H2O, then formation of H2C H2SO3, that is sulfurous sulfurous acid. Okay, this is not a sulfuric acid, because sulfuric acid is a H2SO4. This is sulfurous acid. Okay, and that is the H2SO3, and this is our non-metal oxide. It means the non-metal oxide, and you know what the name of this? Sulfur dioxide. Okay, like C plus O2, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide when react with the H2O, so same it is. You can see in the acid phase, when the CO2 found in our nature react with the rain, then formation of H2CO3, that is the carbonic acid, and you can see, and this is the edible acids most of time, because you can easily drink this type of acids, like in the carbonate water in the our drinks. Okay, like the beverages or different type of, like Coca-Cola and different FPVs and like that. Okay, and the sulfur, that is the S plus O2, SO2 non-metal oxides, and you know about the SO2, NO2 are the main pollutants in our environment. It means the most causing pollution can be increased by the type of particles, that is the SO2 and NO2 particles. Okay, and H2SO3, that is the sulfurous acid, and then N plus O2, NO2 with H2O, then formation of H2NO3, that is the nitric acid. So these carbonic acids, sulfurous acid, and nitric acids are the most ingredients of an acid drink. Okay, so this is the examples for that how can any non-metals can react with oxygen, then formation of non-metal oxides, and when this non-metal oxides reacts with water, then formation of carbonic acid or maybe acid. Okay, so now these are the examples of our acidic oxides. Now we have to see some neutral oxides. Neutral oxide. Neutral oxides. Okay, like neutral oxides. So I hope you are understanding these things, because why I am now starting this neutral oxide, because this is for acidic oxides. We already completed. Okay, here this is the two examples for that, and I already shown that when this acidic oxides, how we can determine that any oxides which is formed by the non-metals can acidic or neutral, then its answer is with litmus test. Okay, so you can understand. And now the neutral oxide. So neutral oxide, so what is the behaving with the this change with the color red and blue? There is a no change in the color for that. Okay, like so 2C plus O2, then 2CO. 2CO. This is the carbon monoxide, and next is 2H2 plus O2, then 2H2. Okay. So this is the carbon monoxide, which is neutral oxide, and this is 2H2O, also neutral oxide. Okay. So this 2H2 plus O2, 2H2O, you know about this water and carbon monoxide are neutral oxides. They cannot behave with the litmus, it means with the red or with the blue litmus, there is a no change in color with the litmus indicator. Okay, so I hope you are understanding how the non-metals react with oxygen. Non-metals plus O2, that is the non-metal oxides. For the non-metal oxide when react with the water, then formation of acid. When non-metals react with oxygen, form acidic or neutral oxides. And when these acidic oxides, we have to, it means recognize or determine with the litmus test how there is a behaving. Then it shows a blue to red color with the litmus because they are the acidic in nature. And neutral oxide did not show any color change with the red or blue litmus because they are the neutral neutral oxides. Like C plus O2, CO2, non-metal oxides, CO2 plus H2CO3, that is the carbonic acids. With the sulfur, S plus O2, because sulfur is a non-metal, carbon is a non-metal, hydrogen also non-metal, chlorine also non-metal. Okay, so S plus O2, SO2, non-metal oxide means sulfur dioxide. SO2 plus H2, H2, SO3, that is sulfurous acid. Okay, now the neutral oxides, 2C plus O2, that is the 2CO, that is the carbon monoxide. You know about that. When will be the carbon monoxide is formed? It is only due to the incomplete combustion. Okay, carbon monoxide, that is neutral oxide, and 2H2 plus O2, that is 2H2O, that is neutral oxide. So it is our one more topic we started for the non-metals reaction, chemical properties of non-metals. So first I forgot to here describe before that, it is that our chemical properties started with the non-metal. It means non-metal chemical properties. Okay, thank you.